Hello guys, so if you have been seeing something like this on Facebook where you see sponsored, this is not your friend post or the regular post on your timeline. This is an advert. This is an e-commerce advert that is showing on your timeline. It's someone like you that is running this ad. So today I want to teach you how to start a profitable e-commerce business in Nigeria and also use Facebook or other social media platform to market your business. So if you're ready, so let's get started. All right, guys. So this is my script. So I'm going to be try to follow this as much as possible. All right, how to start a profitable e-commerce business in Nigeria without importing any product and make between 50,000 to 100,000 every week working from home. Okay, so I know that some of us, when we hear e-commerce, Jumia and Konga comes to mind. No, we're not going to do it at that scale. We're going to do something, something mini, something portable, something that you can start with as little as 5 to 10,000 naira. Yes, you heard me right. All right, but before we get into the nitty-gritty of this whole thing, introduction to e-commerce. What is e-commerce? E-commerce simply means electronic commerce. It simply means a process of buying and selling products online using the internet. That is basically the meaning of e-commerce. Okay, so we have a few types of e-commerce, like you have the business to business kind of e-commerce, kind of a multi-vendor e-commerce like Jumia.com that all of us are already familiar with. Jumia.com, I don't know if you know that Jumia is not the only vendor selling on their platform. There are other people that are marketing and selling through their platform. So that's why I'm telling you, that's not the route we are going to go. We're going to go solo. All right, we have another type of e-commerce. This is drop shipping. That is going to be another video because this is a completely different e-commerce business model where you advertise product on your website that you don't own. You don't have the inventory. Okay, you just connect, get the product, advertise the product, you get a buyer, use the buyer's money, order the product, the supplier ship to the buyer, you keep the profit. But today, and this is what is working in Nigeria, all right? This is what is working in Nigeria. We call it local arbitrage. Local arbitrage. This is a form of e-commerce business model that works in Nigeria. And this is especially so when you want to do it at the mini scale, all right? So what does it mean? It means that you source a product from a local supplier. That's what I said. You don't need to import any product. You can get everything from within. But that is not to say that when you have blown and your business has grown, you cannot import. You can import, but to get started, you don't need to import. That's why we call it local arbitrage. You can source this product locally, top up, repackage this product on your own website, add your own price, and then you keep the profit, right? Now, this is it. Source a product from a local supplier. Let's say you source a product for 2,000 naira. You can resell that same product for 10,000 naira online and keep the 8,000 naira profit. Now, don't forget you're going to run ads. Let's say your ad budget is you spend, let's say 3,000 or 5,000, 3,000 to get a customer. That means your profit will be 5,000 naira. So if you can sell 10 pieces of that item every week, that will give you 50,000. So if you can do 20 pieces every week, which is very easy to do, you can make 100,000 every week. So when I said you can make 100,000 every week. It was not just a myth, something that is achievable, is something that is doable. So many people are doing it right now. So, like for instance, you saw this product. This is, let's check out what this product is. Someone is advertising this and is selling this. I think it's a solar, it has to do with energy, solar, and all of that. Okay. He is using an e-commerce, he's selling this using a conventional e-commerce platform, but that's not what we're going to be doing today. So today, let's say, get back to Facebook. Let's see what we can make out of other advertisement that are available. Let's see if I can find another vendor, another e-commerce seller. All right, look at this. This is a health product, all right? This person is selling. This is a knock non-stop, get bigger, bowler. Okay, this kind of product are very, very difficult to sell anyway. So I know I'm in that space, so I understand what this is about, right? So this is it. But I want to show you something very, very common, right? So let's look for this, another advert. Anytime you see a post on your timeline showing sponsored, you should know that it is an advert. Okay, this is a yoga products. I want something very simple, let's just scroll, keep scrolling. All right, I think I saw something pop up, or maybe something like this. This is a solar system. Let's see how this person is marketing it. These are all products you can find. Okay. This is all product provide lasting solution, any kind of diabetes. Okay. This is health products. This is health product. See, guys, what these people have done, I don't want to open this. Sometimes we have some very terrible content. All right. This is it. This is this. I don't want this at all. Okay, this one is selling something for bed bug. What is it called? Let's see what this product is about. Okay. So meanwhile, for you to do this business, you need to have a one-page website like this where you can showcase, give detailed information about your product. If you need to learn how to build a sales page like this, a landing page or a sales funnel like this, then you can send me a DM. I have a very mini course. I can take you through this very fast. Okay, so I want to show you, still keep scrolling. Let's see if you can find another product. So I'm just showing you that other people are doing exactly what I'm teaching you in this video right now. So it's not something that is far-fetched. It's something that is already being done. I'm not the one inventing it. It's already going on, okay? All right, so this is another one. This is an advert. This is an advert, okay? Let's check out what this is, right? So guys, I don't want this video to be long, but I want to give you, so like I said, let's get back to our slide. So that is it. So first of all, how do you get started? Number one, choose a niche. A niche simply means a market segment. Whom do you want to sell to? What kind of product do you want to sell? You want to go into fashion product? You want to go into, is it women fashion, men's fashion, or general fashion for everybody? That is a niche. Or you want to sell gadgets like power banks, AirPods, but please don't try to sell phone. You will not be able to compete. You will not be able to, to compete with the big boys in that industry, in that niche. But you can sell some innovative, new, trendy phone accessories, okay, that are not yet saturated, okay? Now, you need to make sure you always look out for products that are not saturated, products that are not common. Because if the products are common, people can see it everywhere, then there is no need buying it from you online. So I want you to take that very seriously. You can also go into health, wellness, like all those gym gadgets and all of that, wellness for men, for women, fertility, and all that. Okay. Now, so that is it. So you need to, once you decide a niche that you want to sell, a market you want to sell, then you need to look for a hot selling product. For instance, I was trying to show us, okay, look at what this person is selling here. Transform your kitchen experience with Mega Kitchen. So you're calling it 2-in-1 food processor. Okay, let's take this name and see if we can search for this item, right? So you see, the same item this person is selling. How much is this person selling it? This person is selling this item for 29,000. All right. So 29,000. Right. So this is the same item, but let's look for it. This is the same item, the very same item. I think this is the exact one. This is the same item that is being sold on. It's being sold on Konga for 5,009, and this person is selling the same item for 29,000. You will shout, wow, that is too much. But that is it. You know, when you craft your offer and you're able to make it juicy, people will pay, because people buy things online based on impulse. You know, it's impulsive buying. So you see, it's the exact same product, right? It's the exact same product. Let's even go further and check for this product on very so all right. So I can show you even other places can source for this product even more cheaper than this. And if you're able to run your ad, create a beautiful page like this, right? Create a beautiful landing page like this, showcase this product and run a good ad, do a good video or whatever. Once you're able to do this, people will pay you this 29,000 for this same product and still tell you thank you. Do you understand what I'm saying? So that's the power of e-commerce, okay? So this is exactly typical of what I'm trying to teach you. So you need to find a winning, a hot in demand product. Like for instance, that kitchen product is something that sells all the time. Women always buy, even men, when they see something like they buy. So the next thing you need to do is to create an offer. Like this person has created an offer here. He said, transform your kitchen experience with a 3 mega plus 8 free gifts. That is an offer. You have to create an offer. You have to present this product in a way that this person cannot get it in the shop, right? So it's so that even when you are asking them to pay you this kind of amount, they will pay it with excitement because your offer is irresistible. Now, these are the things I train in my mini e-commerce business blueprint. So if you're interested in that course, I want you to drop a comment in the comments section, say e-commerce, type e-commerce blueprint. Then I will know if I have many of you that are showing interest, then I'm going to release that course and it's going to be a bomb. You begin to make this money. You can imagine if this guy is able to sell only 5 of these products in a week and is getting it for 5,000 and is selling it for 29,500. So he's keeping a margin of 25,000 naira. Boy, this is massive. And I can guarantee you this guy is making sales. This is the video. So this is the ad. So by the time you finish watching this beautiful ad,
Hello. Are you tired of spending so much time in the kitchen?
How do I get it? How do I get it? And people are buying this, right? Why not you also do this? So once you create your offer, the next thing is to advertise, right? Like what this guy is doing here. You can run your ad on Facebook, TikTok, or Instagram. And after this, you need to also do the shipping, the delivery, right? Because people are going to buy from. So, but for a start, you can start marketing to only your city, right, where you live, and look for a self-delivery agent. These are all the information I provide in my mini e-commerce blueprint. So if you're interested in that course, I want you to drop a comment in the comment section. Then you deliver the product, you take your payment on delivery, because that's what is working in Nigeria. Nobody is going to pay you 29,500 naira when they have not seen the product. They want to see it first before they pay you. Okay, so look at this. So once you go through this step, what you do is rinse and do what? Repeat. So for you to learn how to create a beautiful landing page like this for your product, I have a course that will teach you how to do this, how to create this, add a form to this page, put all your information, add a form, put a video and everything. I'll teach you. So if you're interested in this, I want you to drop a comment, or drop a comment and request for my WhatsApp contact, or check the description. You'll see a link to my WhatsApp, and then let's take it up from there. So guys, get this information. I know that this few minutes is not enough for me to give you everything in detail. That's why you need to take my mini e-commerce blueprint course. You need to sign up for it and then get started. You need to make money. The year is already half. I can guarantee you, if you start this business now, before 3 months from now, you start making your millions. All right, guys. So see you in my next video. If this video has added value, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and also like and share this video. Thank you very much. See you in my next video. Bye.